impression of her? Well, the first time I saw her, she was actually late for some Miss Security practice. So my first impression was, wow, she's beautiful.
So with me, same day, walked into practice irritated, and I saw this guy. The first thing I noticed was his eyes. So I immediately fell in love, but obviously I wasn't gonna admit that. And then days continued, and then we started communicating, and I maybe told him after how many months that I was actually just love at first sight. It was quite some time before I admitted, but he was the one who kept on saying that, oh well, I fell in love with you the first day I met you, and I was like, oh okay. But I never admitted that I actually also fell in love with him the first time I met him. But I did tell my sisters and my sisters' friends after I went home that day that
So our very first date was in 2009. Don't really remember the date, but I took her to the beach. Well, we studied at KFC. I was a student and very broke, so I didn't have enough money. So I bought KFC used to have this small burgers. Yeah, and then after I bought the burgers, we took a walk to the beach. It was in Parkland, yeah, Blowback.
It was, yeah, when I met him in Blowback, Strand Beach. Yeah, he had called me, so we met there. And I'd already eaten, but he decided that he wanted to buy me a KFC. So he bought me a KFC Streetwise. I just know a Streetwise one. It was like those variety packs where there's a burger, there's a piece of chicken, and then we went to the beach and we sat there for quite some time, and then we took a stroll, and then we went back to his aunt's place. The place was very far. We had to walk for about 30 minutes to get to the place. It was nightmare. But all in all, it was fun because he was there.
Well, she's very opinionated. Yeah, that sometimes bothers me because she can't hold her opinion. If something happens and like she could maybe not say anything for a few minutes, she wouldn't. She would immediately react to it. So that's the one thing that bothers me.
One thing that bothers me is anxiety. He's someone who is very anxious. So he would panic about things. Literally, he would panic about parking for just 5 minutes or 5 seconds. No, 5 minutes is a lot. 5 seconds. There's a pedestrian walk, and then I want to get out. You know when you want to quickly jump out of a car? Like, no, things could go wrong. Or the traffic officer is going to just park. Where are they going to come? When? What time? I'll probably be at wherever I want to go. He's very anxious about things that, you know, but yeah, that's the only thing that irritates me about it, that I can think of now.
And I love most about her is how she loves me and how she is so focused on our team and building both of us, and how not selfish she is. She's very giving in a relationship. So those are the most things that I love most about it.
What I love about him is how I feel when I'm around him. When I first met him and I got to know him, it was as if my heart was home. There was always something that was missing in all the relationships. I can't even call them relationships, whatever those were. And there was something missing. I remember I was anxious at that time that I needed someone to find something. And then immediately when I met him and I got to know him, I was home. And throughout the relationship, he can attest to this, I've always been chilled and grand. That department is sorted. Not that I was chilled and not knowing what he might do, but in my soul, I was like, no, I'm set. In that department, I got the person that I want. And that's how I've been carrying myself throughout the whole relationship. Not having expectations, but it happened. But that's how that's what I like about him, the fact that he makes me whole. He has some areas, gray areas, but he's everything that I actually wanted and more. Some of the things, like girls would have a list of things that you want. He superseded everything that I put there. Some were not even there, he added on. Yeah.